In this lesson, we'll look at utilizing entire row and column properties and a handful of commands that you may find useful when utilizing them. Manipulating the spreadsheet by rows or columns grants you a number of options that you can use with regards to commands. If you remember previously with the range command, there are a number of syntax methods that you can use. With rows and columns, you can use the range command in them to reference an area, or you can reference them with numeric values, such as in the example here. As you can see, the rows command allows you to use rows in a variety of ways. If you're looking to use the range function to reference an area to alter your columns, then you have to use the entire column syntax in order to reference the columns. However, if you want to use the equivalent with rows, you must use a strictly numeric value as a reference, as rows have no other means of reference. In this example, you can see another way to use rows and columns by referencing the selection in the areas tool. Areas, when combined with columns or rows, allows you to gather the total number of whatever object you're looking for within the area. This allows you to reference columns, and it will understand to look at the total number of columns within the selection.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.